You can't see me, but I'm doing my Friday dance because it's Friday and it's 9 o'clock. And this is the last of, we will hear for a while on the incenters and circumcenters. But lesson 7. Yeah, I get it. Angle bisectors of a triangle intersect to form an incenter. Yeah, that's the center of the largest circle that will fit inside the triangle, and then the sides of the triangle become tangents to that circle, which creates a bunch of right angle triangles. So this is kind of a wrap up. Lesson 7 kind of ties it together. Just real quick with the equilateral triangles, just something to notice and wonder. And if you don't notice, equilateral triangles, you start out with a 60-degree angle. They're all 60s. And then when you split them, you get 30s and 30s. And if you do draw this connection here to this nice center right here, supposedly that center is the angle bisectors. It's also, believe it or not, the perpendicular bisectors as well. So because of it, the equilateral triangle is like a square. Everything's just perfect. Everything lines up. It's very comforting. So if I do draw these out a little bit and I just bring them out, I extend those angle bisectors, you'll notice that they also become perpendicular bisectors. Not skeletors. Google it. Yeah. So that's just a nice little feature on the equilateral triangle, is that the incenter and the circumcenter are actually the same thing. So with that said, let's move on to something a little more funky and weird. And there it is. Finally, the book decides to give us what we want, give the people what they want. There's the final drawing, nice and beautiful, with your incenter. And you can see that you've got angle bisectors. You can see that you've got these radius ideas. You can see the tangentness. Yes, that's a word I made up. Tangentness of this whole situation. And it's kind of nice. You got all kinds of interesting, well, to some people interesting, not others, but interesting congruent triangle situations here. You got a couple of them down here. You can kind of see those congruent triangles. You got all kinds of congruent triangles going on here. So we can just play around with the pen all day, but keep this video short. Congruent triangles everywhere, and you got angles that you can figure out. It's kind of a good deal. So there's the summary. Check it out. But that lesson really is just what we've always been saying all along about the incenter. It's just now finally drawing it, putting it into the figure. Nothing new. So we previewed it before. Now we're spoiling it. All right, that is all of 3 minutes. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you have a good weekend. Later. No, I can't use it. That's Forbes. I cannot use Forbes. I have to be myself. So, with that said, Me, Myself, and Irene. That's a good movie, too. There you go. Out of here. 3:25. That's the shortest video I've ever made. Enjoy.